I upgraded my tactical arbitrage plan to the pro plan. So if you do not know, if you've been sleeping under a rock, tactical arbitrage made a lot of changes in the last few weeks, I would say. So I'm just going to show you. So if you actually look at it, so back in the days, actually, let me say this before. Tactical arbitrage used to limit the number of minutes that you can actually scan, that you can use to scan, right? And so if we actually look here, you should be able to see my screen now. If we look here, what you see is that, it's been 2 weeks and I've already used 58,000 minutes. The way that it used to work is that you had 40,000 minutes a month to scan, and after that, you need to pay for every single extra minute that you would actually use. Now, the amount of minutes that you can use is actually unlimited, and they created a new plan and made a lot of changes in the basic plan. So, with the basic plan, now you can just scan 3 websites at a time and then put 7 websites. Is it 7 or 4? 7 or 4 searches in queue that are going to start scanning when those are done, right? And so with the pro plan, now you can scan 10 websites at a time, okay? You can have 10 different search at a time and have 20 search in the queue. So it's changed a lot of things, a lot of the way that I'm actually running my business with tactical arbitrage now. I changed a lot of things, and this is what we're going to talk about in today's video. The intro was kind of long, actually, so let me just introduce myself. My name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube to teach you how to become a 6- and 7-figure seller on Amazon. Okay, no need to buy a course, but if you need more help, if you want to scale a little bit faster, there's a link in the description now for paid coaching as well. But if you want to learn, you can learn everything that you need to grow right here on this YouTube channel. So let me just show you, let me just explain to you what changed with the way I run my business with tactical arbitrage. So if you look here, you'll notice that, as I said, I'm already at 58,000 minutes, but the next thing that you're going to notice is this, okay? So every single day, we actually delete search because we reach the maximum amount. And I think by default, it's 40,000 products that you can have that in the database. And the thing is that when you scan 10 websites at a time, and you know me, like the way I run my business with my target list and all that stuff, it's full. Like I have a ton of stuff to scan. I'm trying to scan everything, and so every single day we reach the maximum amount of products that we can have in a database, and we need to delete search. And so I haven't been able, because we made the transition to the pro plan like probably I would say 3 to 4 days ago, a little bit more than that, like close to 1 week ago. And I've been having a hard time getting my team to look at all the search and delete the search before, because every single day the search go in pause, and so we need to delete search that we haven't even looked at because we haven't had time to look at everything, or that we really haven't had time to review completely, I would say. So because of that, we need to delete searches because it's never working, and so I need to do a lot of changes, and this is what I'm going to explain to you. So you guys know that regarding the filter, so I'm going to show you when you launch search on tactical arbitrage. And before we do, actually, it doesn't matter which plan you get, but if you want to try tactical arbitrage, you can get an extended free trial. So thank you, tactical arbitrage, for actually giving us this. You can use the code GUNZA, GUNZA, or use my link below. You'll get a 10-day free trial instead of a 7-day free trial. So it's, like I would use it if I were you, right? So here we go. So let me go and, okay, so I don't know what's going on right there. Let's refresh that page and I'm going to show. So when you launch a search on tactical arbitrage, here we go. And you can see, warning, searches will be paused soon as your view data is about to reach its capacity. Please clear data to keep your search running. And my VA is only going to start working on tactical arbitrage in probably 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours, right? Actually, yeah, in around 2 hours it's going to start. And so, yeah, I mean, there's nothing that I can do right now because, I mean, except if I want to go through some search myself, like I haven't reached the capacity, and so I need to increase my capacity. I need to have more VAs actually looking through tactical arbitrage because it's not going to work like if you actually want to look at everything. If I upgrade it, it's to actually do this. But like, I think that there's one thing that I can do before this, and one thing that I did not do is if you go to remove right there, like with my tactical arbitrage, with my filters and everything, I used to be pretty broad. I was not removing products because I like to have everything and then look at everything, right, and make decisions based on that. I'm going to need to change that. Because I need to remove products because we are getting too much products, and so this is something that I'm going to need to add to my filters and the way my team actually runs search. And so this is why I haven't really thought about it yet. So you know what? Let's do it in videos together. But this is what's going to change mainly with the way we run, we run searches on tactical arbitrage. So as you can see right here in filter product, like I do not put anything, okay, just the source price adjustment. That's pretty much it. I don't have anything set up right there actually. Like I do not remove any products because with the way we used to run search before, it was not needed. Like by the time we had some other results, we were able to delete the stuff and it was fine. Now it's not possible anymore. I used to delete stuff like probably every other week I used to delete stuff. Now I'm doing it, I need to do it daily. Right, so we are going to do this. All right, so what we are probably going to do is we are going to remove every single product that has a sales rank over 150,000. So that way it's not going to be added, and because we do not check them anyway. Like most of the time, it's my VA, I ask them to filter the stuff, and so they are not going to check that. But yeah, a current sales rank above 150,000, and you know what? I'm going to be a little bit less strict. I'm going to say 175,000 because sometimes I may look at these products that are above. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove every single product where the rating is lower than 4.1 stars, okay? Because under 4.1 stars, and you know what, I could say 4. I always say 4.1, and people ask me why I do 4.1, and you know what, I'll just do 4, okay? From now on, I'm doing 4 stars, okay? Number 4.1, it was an arbitrary number. If you want the answer to the question, it was 100% arbitrary, and so yeah. We're going to do 4. So remove if the number of seller is less than and more than. I guess I'm going to do remove if it's less than 70. It's more than 70, because more than 70, I mean, you know, it's not going to work. So the source price does not really matter. The product with an Amazon price of less than, I do not really care. Remove if current Amazon price is outside the price range of, I don't really care. But yeah, I'm really trying to see other stuff that I could remove. So buy box suppressed, actually, I don't care about that. Hazmat products, I love hazmat product. So what else could we use? What else could we use? Third-party sellers from results, of course, we are going to remove this because that way it's going to remove third-party sellers if we run search from Walmart and all that stuff. Oversized products, I actually like oversized products, so I do not care. Out of stock products, should we remove them? I don't think so, because I still like to have them. Remove if Amazon is also a seller and no in stock. 100, not necessarily. This is not the way I want to do it. The way I want to do it is I want to set this at 70%. So if Amazon has been in stock more than 70% during the last 90 days, I do not want to get on that product, okay? And so remove if already saved. Why not? Yeah, why not? We're going to do this. Maybe not actually, but yeah. But you see what I'm doing. What I'm doing is I'm really trying to make sure that no dumb products get added to my searches, right? And so oversized products, I love oversized products. No weight, I don't care about that. Hazmat, I love it. Restricted, I do not care because I can get ungated. Remove if product has multiple quantities, no. Estimated sales, no. And yeah, I mean, yeah, I think this is what I'm going to set it to right now. This is going to be the best way. I mean, this is the best thing this is the best I can do so far. If I notice that I still get too many results, what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the sales rank to 150,000 probably. Because the way I like to run tactical arbitrage search is I like to run a lot of search, and so I have a lot of things to look at, and so my team can actually go and look at a lot of things, right? So this is how we are going to set it up right now in my business. So if you have any questions, you can always come on the Discord server and ask us, and I'm going to show you. You know that the goal of this channel is it's not just me coming and telling you, oh, you should do this, you should do that, like other people do on Twitter. The goal of this channel is also to show you, to document sort of the way I am actually running my business and the challenge that I face. And this is one of the challenges that I've been facing lately, and that I need to find a solution to, right? So yeah, this is the solution that we're going to use right now. And so hopefully, this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.